115 Killian Rd is a beautifully updated, immaculate home in the rarely available Gates of Maple neighborhood. Wide streets, big trees, big yards, and an unparalleled location in move-in condition. Great curb appeal with interlocked pathways and perennial gardens, peaceful, fully fenced yard with gardens and patio topped by mature grapevines. Dine al fresco under shady leaves. This low-turnover neighborhood is close to everything you need. You can walk to multiple highly desired schools, parks, shopping, Canada's Wonderland, and the hospital. Easy access to the 404 and so many transit options. This home has been immaculately maintained by original owners with many recent upgrades, including a renovated eating kitchen with quartz countertops, pot drawers, and a walkout to the yard. Huge living and dining rooms with hardwood floors and updated laminate in the family room with fireplace and a lovely bay window. The upper level has 3 huge bedrooms, all with new laminate floors, and the renovated primary bedroom has an ensuite with a double vanity and walk-in shower. The unfinished basement with a cold cellar is your perfect rec room project or a dream storage. Let's go take a look.